English Estonian. I went.
läksin.
Past of, to go. Kickoff with Synapse Lingo. Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Hey you, ready to go back in time? Today you'll conquer the Estonian past of, to go, so smoothly that even your future self will say, nice. Our hero forms. I went.
Läksin.
You went.
Sa läksid.
He, she went.
Ta läks.
It went.
See läks.
We went.
Me läksime.
You, plural, went.
Te läksite.
They went.
Nad läksid.
Deep breath, a smile, and let's stride into it. Your goal today. You'll master every person of went in Estonian and actually enjoy it. I went.
Läksin.
You went, singular.
Sa läksid.
He went, she went.
Ta läks.
It went.
See läks.
We went.
Me läksime.
You went, plural.
Te läksite.
They went.
Nad läksid.
Base verb for reference, to go.
Minema.
Mini dialogues. Hear it, feel it, say it, short scenes to lock in the forms. A. Yesterday, I went home. B. So you finally chilled? A.
Eile läksin.
Koju. A. You went the right way. B. Phew. A.
Sa läksid.
Oikeasti. A. Where's Mark? B. He went to the store. B.
Ta läks.
Pudi. A. How was the launch? B. It went well. B.
See läks.
Hasti. A. After the film, we went for cake. A.
Pärast filmi me läksime.
Kugail. Guide. You went as a group at sunset. Guide.
Te läksite.
Kus lujangu ajal. A. Where are they? B. They went already. B.
Nad läksid.
Juba. Call and response drills. I call, you answer out loud, own those endings. Prompt. I went home. Say it in Estonian. Answer.
Läksin.
Koju. Prompt. You went early. Singular. Answer.
Sa läksid.
Vara. Prompt. He went to work. Answer.
Ta läks.
Tool. Prompt. She went for a walk. Answer.
Ta läks.
Jalutama. Prompt. It went smoothly. Answer.
See läks.
Sujuvalt. Prompt. We went inside. Answer.
Me läksime.
Sis. Prompt. You went the wrong way. Plural. Answer.
Te läksite.
Veel suunas. Prompt. They went to the park. Answer.
Nad läksid.
Parky. Culture tip. Tallinn in motion. Let's stroll Old Town with language on your tongue. Picture Tallinn's cobblestones after rain. You point at Viru Gate and proudly say, we went through there.
Me läksime.
Sealed lobby. Your friend smiles. You went the scenic route.
Sa läksid.
Alusa teed pidi. The cafe test? It went perfectly.
See läks.
Ideal selt. When the sun sets, the guide claps. You went at the right time.
Te läksite.
Oigel ajal. And as the streets quiet down, someone whispers, they went home.
Nad läksid.
Koju. You stretch and say, I went farther than I planned.
Läksin.
Kajamail, kui planashin. Comedy bonus, the cat? It nods like a local hero.
Ta läks.
Omapede. Quiz time. Quick checks, answer before the ding. Q1. Translate, you went, singular, to the store. A.
Sa läksid.
Pudi. Q2. How do you say, we went home? A.
Me läksime.
Koju. Q3. Pick the right form for, it went.
See läks.
Or.
Ta läks.
A.
See läks.
Q4. Translate, they went early. A.
Nad läksid.
Vara. Q5. Say, he went to work, she went home. A.
Ta läks.
Tool.
Ta läks.
Koju. Q6. Plural you went the right way. A.
Te läksite.
Oigesti. Speed challenge and wrap up. One last burst, then victory lap. Lightning round. I say the English, you fire the Estonian. 1. I went.
Läksin.
2. You went, sing.
Sa läksid.
3. She went.
Ta läks.
4. It went.
See läks.
5. We went.
Me läksime.
6. You went, plural.
Te läksite.
7. They went.
Nad läksid.
You crushed it. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms in tiny daily moments, and revisit the dialogues for speed. For more lessons, drills, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Head Aga, see you next time.